So we're in Glasgow tonight again, doing a bit of street photography. Up here on the roof next to St Enoch Centre. I'm out with Chris tonight. We're using the Canon M50 with a 22mm lens on the end of it, a little pancake, and we'll see what we can get with this. Yeah, let's go have a good night. Alright, let's go see what we can get. Okay, first little spot. Slightly hidden one. It's just this little, you guys probably won't be able to see very much right now, but a nice little hidden sort of cactus thing. We'll try it on this end. No, it's okay. I tried it earlier on, it didn't make too much of a difference. There you go. There you go. Let's see what else we can find. There's an interesting spire here actually coming through. Oh, that's nice if we cut the... Should probably mask that out actually. I'm not really sure if anyone can see us through these windows. It's going to look a bit dodgy if they can, but nonetheless it's pretty cool. Chris in the corner. See what he gets. Yeah, I really like this lens. It's pretty compact as well, so when I'm cutting about the city, it's great for just sticking in the pocket. Keeps it nice and tidy. I like the mix of sort of like new and old with this. It's pretty cool. Alright, on to the next one. Let's go. Alright, we've just set up at this bridge over here. It's quite busy at the moment, so we're going to try and get this shot and move on. Might come back here when it's a bit darker actually. Doing a slight long exposure just to smooth out that water. And see what we get. Oh, busy. Nice. That'll do nicely. Alright, good to go. Let's move. Alright, so we just came down off the bridge. There's quite a lot of good street art down here. I've just found this little candle one that I've seen other people do pictures of before. What I've done is strapped my my little cube light on the top of the camera here, just to add a little bit more sort of warmer orangey light to this shot. Just see if we can get nice and low. Boom. There we go, happy with that. Let's go see what other cool stuff we can find in this spot. See what we can do with this. I do need a bit more. That light in the background is really going to hump this a little bit. Unless we get it from just the right angle, like there. Let's play around with it and see. See what we can do with it. With a 22 on. Interesting. Boom. See what else we can do. See if we play around with the green a little bit. Alright, so we've just set up here. They've seen that the train's coming and going from Glasgow Central, and we've got these nice blue lights, and other street lights are reflecting here as well. So we're going to see if we can get a nice long exposure of buses, trains, etc. going across the bridge.
Can't really edit trains in though, that's the problem.
It's tricky. It's quite tricky, especially to make them convincing. Just a random Thomas the Tank Engine just cuts across the screen. Booyah! That would be quite good. Alright, there we go. I'm happy with that. That is pretty cool. Right, we are going to set up to get a few interesting pictures of this. The bridge is pretty neat actually. There's also St Enoch Centre, which you might be able to pick up on the GoPro, I'm not entirely sure, off in the distance. And then I've got an interesting thought for these, a long exposure that way as well, but we'll see what we get. We're just going to kind of play around here and have a wee go. Yeah, it's a suspension bridge, isn't it? It's like,
Look at this one I just got, right?
let's go for it.
You
Set
know,
this up.
closely though, there's a guy running, you can see his legs as he goes through.
Ghosty legs.
Yeah.
See what we can get. All kinds of carnage going on over there. Oh, train going just at the same time, nice. And lots of cars. Beautiful. All this on a 22 as well. It'd be interesting to see if I brought some different lenses. I do have the 15 to 35 one, but I use that a lot, so time to mix it up a little bit, force myself to use a prime lens and adjust my positioning a little bit more. Although that guy tried to duck and he literally walked face first through your frame. I've gone for long exposure, so I need a bus to come but actually just keep going. So anybody waiting for a bus, please don't. Cars aren't the greatest I could really do with a bus for this. Oh, fucking big, asking you shall receive. I think it's taking the shot, but I'm not sure. Soon find out. See what we get. Boom! That'll do. On our way to Kelvin Bridge. Alright, so we just hopped on the subway and we got to Kelvin Bridge. We're just about to head down to a pub called In Deep and see what kind of cool footage we can get. This place is a really cool little pub in the West End. Open this right up. Camera's getting soaked. Sick. All good? We head down? This way. Oh, I've got a security light thing there. That's cool. I feel like it's definitely time to get a wee shot of that. That's video. Crap. Ready? Shall we? Alright, so we're at a tunnel down in the West End just next to In Deep. We've got a church here we're going to take some pictures of. I'm not going to use a GoPro for this bit because it's far too dark inside this tunnel. But I'll stick on screen just now the light paintings that we get in here. We're going to mess about with little light stuff, see what we can get. And yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Sweet. Yeah. Right, we just hopped on the subway again. We're at Kinning Park and we're just going to take a wander to the Hydro and Armadillo. See what we can get. Let's go. First time I've ever used that bag cover, so... Alright, time to clear the puddle out of the fucking tripod mount. Oh god, camera, I'm sorry for what I'm about to do to you. I will try and keep you as sheltered as I can. Let's get this done. Okay, let's go. Speed run. Science Centre, or whatever it is, quick picture across the water, long exposure, and then boost. Let's go. Yeah, we'll go across that bridge. Alright, let's go.
See what was in there? You got your big net, right?
Yep.
Right. You gathered up an air section, you went to put it over your head.
Yeah.
So you could count like top and bottom of that net.
Speed run set up here to keep the camera as dry as humanly possible. Which is slightly in vain as what I'm about to do. Is a 10-second longish exposure. 16. Slightly lower. Bang, bingo, bango, bongo. Keep the camera dry. Boom, boom, boom. The water's just peeing off the end of this bridge. Lovely. If you needed a pee at this point in the video, you definitely need one now. Listening to that. Right, BBC Scotland. Let's see if we can get a wee doodah of this. Poocha. That's a good shout actually. Let me get a wee shot from here too. Let's cut it back to about 15, f16. Bosh, should be a bit of coverage from the rain. Busy. Not bad, we'll take it. Can we do much with this? I think we could actually. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, have a look.
Oh, that is actually.
Wait till the frame's clear. Yeah, it's pretty neat. 4 seconds. F22, nice and crystally clear. We'll stick a wee time on it so I don't shuggle it. Still going with the...
Yep.
Yes. What do we got? That's alright. It's pretty artsy. Alright, so we just moved on from the hydro and the science centre. You can actually see them off in the distance. And we've come to this little distillery here, the Clydeside one. And we're going to nip up onto this bridge behind me and see if we can get a cool picture of the clock. Let's go.
Did you see I brought?
Oh yeah. Way off in the distance. Still recording?
Yep.
Sweet. Camera's taking the shot. What did we get? Tad ski whiff, but still pretty cool. Nice. Yeah. It's good because the train line's right there as well, just cuts right past. It's pretty sweet. I'm going to want to darken this slightly. 6 seconds, probably plenty. Good timing. Try one this side. Camera's getting quite wet now. I want to invent an umbrella attachment. The rain's doing a really neat effect with these lights. I'll show you in a second. Might be water on the lens though. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we get here. That's not too bad. We can do stuff with like individual elements of it. Our camera's getting open drenched. See what we get. Bosh. Right, moving on. That'll be fun. So hopefully this is an enjoyable video, guys. We've been out again in Glasgow. We've kind of decided to end it here under this sheltered bridge. And yeah, we'll be out again soon and make some more videos. See you later. I'll go around this one. Oh, that was close.